I was like, girl, let me add like 2 to the cart, which I did. It's good, it's really good. Tastes just like an iced coffee to me. Ooh, I got some toenail press-ons in here. Didn't even know that. Hey girl, welcome back to another day in the life. Thank you, Revolve, for sponsoring today's video. Y'all, I need to organize this bathroom, like the cabinets, the drawers. I have a mess in front of me, so we're gonna be tackling that today. I'm just gonna quickly do my morning skincare routine. It's not much, but I am gonna go back to using my Dr. Dennis Gross cleanser. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. This is one of my all-time favorite cleansers that has AHA and BHA in it. It's the Alpha Beta AHA BHA Daily Cleansing Gel. And I got this on Revolve. You guys, Revolve has some of my favorite beauty products on there. I usually get like basics like tops, bottoms, accessories on Revolve, but they literally have some of the products that I swear by. And I'm so excited to be partnering with Revolve to share those with you guys. So this one is on there. And my friend told me about these eye patches that we're gonna go ahead and try out right now. These are the Skin Gem reusable eye patches. She swears by these. And the fact that they're pink, I was like, girl, let me add like 2 to the cart, which I did. So I'm gonna try these out this morning. Now, since we're just staying in the house today, we're just organizing this bathroom, cleaning out the drawers, the cabinets, and just getting everything cleaned. I'm not gonna dress up. We're just gonna go ahead and put a set on, but I do wanna share the fragrance of the day. I need to start doing these. I don't usually share my fragrance of the day every time I come on camera, but I wanna start doing it because I literally wear fragrance every day. So the scent layer that I'm doing, yes, you heard it right, scent layer, because I'm gonna be layering these, is by Rosie Jane MISSY. You guys, y'all, I know some of you already heard me talk about this fragrance, but if you've never heard me talk about it, this is the best fragrance for spring, summer. Like if you want to smell tropically sweet, coconutty, but not too coconutty. It's just, it's the perfect sweet, fresh summer scent. It smells so, so, so good. And I'm gonna layer it with the OUAI St. Barts body cream. These 2 together, I didn't mean to do that, but these 2 together, so good. I know a lot of you know what OUAI St. Barts smell like. It smells like Missy from by Rosie Jane. They literally smell the same in my opinion. That's why I like to layer these together. Now I already have this on. I just haven't put my perfume on yet. But as soon as I got out the shower, I just lathered my body in this body cream. And I just want you guys to add this to the cart. Just add it to the cart. Both of these are also available on Revolve. I will have a shoppable link down below in the description so you guys can check out all of my beauty favorites that are available on Revolve. But let me wash my face because I'm just, let me wash my face before the sun. I think it's supposed to rain today and I like the natural light. So let's go ahead and get all of this done before it gets too dark outside, like cloudy, because I'm gonna hate that. I'm gonna really hate that. And by the way, this cleanser is soap and sulfate free and it's great for all skin types. Okay, we're done with the skin. Now let's try these Skin Gem reusable eye patches. I like that they come in a case. Not a lot of eye patches come with a case. Ooh, okay. That was easy. Ooh, that's so cute. Like I can really tell it's not gonna slip and slide like a lot of eye patches do, so. Okay. I can see why she swears by these. Now, I haven't, worn it all but 2 seconds, but I can already tell I'm gonna get backups. I already got one backup, but I can already tell I'm gonna get some more. Ooh. Okay, let's go fix, I haven't had my coffee yet. Let's go fix some coffee. I've been drinking a protein coffee instead of like my usual coffee. So I'm gonna go down there. Well, we're gonna go down there, fix a cup of iced protein coffee, and then we're gonna come up here and tackle this mess that I have in front of me. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray myself down in the perfume. Ugh, it smells so good. I really want y'all to try this out. If you haven't already, I highly recommend this fragrance. Since I started back working out consistently, I've started drinking these. These are just like a protein coffee shake. So it's a little thicker than your typical iced coffee. I mean, it has kind of this consistency of a milkshake, but it's good. It's really good. Tastes just like an iced coffee to me. Okay, so I went ahead and changed into some loungewear. The first thing I want to do is start on this side of the sink, because this is the messiest side. This is my side. So before I even go down in the cabinets, we're just gonna go ahead and clean off the entire sink area, wipe it down, and I'm gonna clean my husband's side too. So I'm gonna be filming a favorites video. I'm just gonna put the stuff that I'm mentioning in the favorites video in this bag. And set it to the side. And then I have some empties that I'm starting to accumulate. Gotta do another empties video. Whoops. You know what I want to do this week? I want to go get a bunch of new towels. And one thing I hate about getting new towels and rags is the shedding. Do y'all know, like, do y'all experience that? Or maybe it's just me. No matter how many times I wash, maybe like the 5th wash, they stop shedding. But every time I get new towels, new rags, they shed. When I get out the shower, put my lotion on, I'm like, what is all this lint on me? And it's from the new towels. So comment down below if y'all experience the same. If you don't, what towels do you use? Because I want to know. I'm just wiping down the counters with these wipes. Because I want to know what towels y'all have. Because I need to get me some. So let me know, let me know, let me know. All right, y'all. Sink is clean. My side's clean. His side is clean. Now let's go through the drawers. Okay, so this drawer basically has my lip mask, pimple patches, eye creams, just those things in it. And I don't have much in here because I already cleaned the drawers out months and months ago and I haven't really messed it up too much. But y'all, this drawer, I can't just keep it clean. So this is what we're about to clean out, organize, and all the things. A lot of this stuff I can toss because I don't use it anymore. Like this right here is empty. This is an eye cream. I need to put this in my empties. this is all that I decided to keep in the drawer. I have my cleansers, I have my nose strips, eye patches, makeup removers, toners, travel size, moisturizer, travel size, makeup remover, and cleansing pads. And that's all I need in this drawer. I'm not gonna go through the other two drawers. The top drawer and the bottom drawer are Robert's, but I do want to come over here and go through this cabinet. This is where I just be throwing stuff, okay? I just be throwing it in here, and on the other side I have a few cleaning products. It doesn't look like a lot, but to me it's a lot. Like, it's just a lot, and it's messy and it's unorganized. So let's take all of this out and then put what we're gonna keep back in here. Ooh, it's leaking. At this point, I just throw everything away. Cause out of sight, out of mind. Ooh, I remember this. Ooh, it's still, I'm gonna keep this. This is the aromatherapy balm. I'm gonna keep that. I'm throwing away almost everything that was in here except for the cleaning products, my deodorant, my body lotion, and I have my mouthwash in here too. But a lot of this stuff that I just pulled out is getting thrown in the trash. I like to keep my travel toiletry bags under here too. I have quite a few of these because I pack a lot. I'm just gonna put them down here. This one still has my period stuff in here, my tampons, pads, heating pads. Ooh, I got some toenail press-ons in here. Didn't even know that. Keep them in there though, because you never know when I'll need them. And then I have my body oil. It's a calming body oil for my cramps. So this is my little period bag. This one is empty. And I'm just gonna put this clear bag inside it. So deodorant, let's put them up there. Mouthwash. I wanted to keep this balm, aromatherapy balm. Cleaning products go over here. Lotion I'm using, body oil I'm using. Can't forget about the OUAI St. Barts that I have on right now. And I think that's it. Everything else can get thrown away. I know to y'all it might have seemed like 10-15 minutes, but this took forever. Okay, it took forever. Finally got everything done. I do like to keep a little corner of my morning and night routine on this little shelf back here. Let me show you. But I started doing this so that way I don't forget about the products that I need to use, either try out or use up. Ask me in the comments, you know, which product you want to know about, and I will respond. Maybe like 1 or 2 of these are not on Revolve, but a lot of my favorite products are on Revolve. And again, I'll have that linked in the description for you guys. But morning routine, night routine, not a lot of products, but I do like to make sure that they're right there in my face every time I come in the bathroom so I can use the products up. All right, so now that the sink is clean, the cabinet is clean, the drawers are clean and organized, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. We're gonna be tackling the laundry room next. Anyway, I hope this video motivated you to get up and clean your bathroom, whether that's a drawer, 2 drawers, 3 drawers, all of the drawers, the cabinets, the sink, just anywhere in the bathroom that's cluttered. I hope this motivated you to get up and clean up. So thank y'all for hanging out with me. Again, thank you to the team at Revolve for sponsoring today's video. Y'all, these are still in place. They have not moved. I've been talking, I've been moving my face, and they are still in place. I kind of want to keep them on for a couple more minutes because I gotta go do some stuff on the computer, so I'm just gonna keep them on while I do some work. Anyway, again, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.